Have you already written a book? Or do you have a fantastic book idea that's just ready to be published and you just need some help? You need the key advice to get you started. If so, why not come to our writer's workshop? We'll explain to you exactly what you need to do. We'll give you the inside scoop on the publishing industry and explain the difference between self-publishing and publishing, the pros and cons of each. I'm Michelle Pilley, the Managing Director and Publisher of Hay House UK Limited. I've got over 30 years of working in the publishing industry and I really want to share that information with you. Believe me, we really know how hard it is for people to break into this industry. So we want to share all of the information and ideas that we can to help you get started. It can be an extraordinarily difficult maze, but there is a way of doing this, and there are not just one way, there are many different routes that successful authors have taken, and we want to share those with you. You really don't need to feel intimidated or overwhelmed. We'll explain to you how people find agents, how people get a publishing deal, how to put together a phenomenal proposal that's going to excite any commissioning editor or agent out there. This year, I'm really pleased that we're joined by the Hay House CEO, Reed Tracy. Reed has helped hundreds of prominent authors achieve enormous success. He's helped them build their platforms and given them key advice about their businesses. He's going to be here to share that wisdom and that advice with you. You're going to get the opportunity to ask him as many questions as you would like. This is going to be an invaluable opportunity for you in your step to becoming a successful author. Here at Hay House, we believe in dreams. We're the result of one woman's dream 30 years ago that she could create a publishing house. That woman, Louise Hay, built an extraordinary company based on that dream, and we're here to help you materialize your dreams. We've helped hundreds of authors across the world to do this. So why not come and join us and take that opportunity yourself? We feel so strongly about helping you manifest your dreams that one participant will be awarded a £5,000 advance and a publishing contract. One of the previous participants of this competition was Rebecca Campbell. Rebecca submitted a manuscript to us called Light is the New Black. You may be familiar with that book. It's gone on to become an international bestseller. Subsequently, she published Rise Sister Rise, and we've just released a beautiful oracle deck with her called Work Your Light. Rebecca believed in herself enough to attend the writer's workshop. She made the commitment to enter the competition. Her life is radically different as a result of that. We're just about to publish the winner of the 2016 competition, a wonderful book by Alison Porter on surviving and thriving with breast cancer called Stronger Than Before. And we just made the award for the 2017 winner, and that also is a very inspiring book by an author called Zena Cooper. It's about experience of being partially blind her whole life. So giving you an example of the different kinds of books that we find from this competition, you're bound to have a different story, a different set of experiences, different teachings or ideas or techniques that you would like to share. We really hope you're going to come along and tell us about your book, your idea. Most years we have a fantastic range and diversity of authors who submit to the competition. We look hard at all of those submissions, we examine them very carefully, and very often we actually choose some people who weren't the actual winner but who we feel have a really exciting idea and go ahead and publish them as well. One example of this in 2016 will be Callista. She wrote a fantastic book on unicorns which we've just released. It's called Unicorn Rising, and Callista's already speaking at Hay House events. She was just at the Angel World Summit already in Bristol. So why not join Julia, Reed Tracy, David Hamilton and myself in Bristol in October? One of you is going to be given a £5,000 publishing contract to get you started, and we're going to give all of you the resources, the ideas and inspiration you need to take your next step. I really hope to see you there.